Today we will do unbalanced assignment problem in maximization case. Maximization case is given in a question. That question solved with maximization case. If it is not given, so some indirect information are given like profit, sales or operator, through which we can assume that the question is of maximization case. First requirement in assignment problem is that we have to check that the matrix is balance 1, but this matrix is not balance 1 because there is 5 rows and 4 columns. For it, we have to create dummy to balance these matrix. Now we create dummy so that our matrix should be balance 1. Now we can solve this question with maximization case. First of all, we have to convert maximization problem into minimization problem. For this, we have to select maximum number from this matrix. Here maximum number is 11. In this matrix, maximum number is 11. Maximum number is 11. Now we can subtract each number from 11, like 11 minus 10, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 7, 11 minus 8, 11 minus 0, 11 minus 11, 11 minus 4, 11 minus 9, 11 minus 10. All these numbers are subtracted from 11. Now we can write here 11 minus 10, 11 minus 5. We can write, you can calculate 2, 1, 11. Subtract all these numbers from maximum number. Here 11 minus 7, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 4, 11 minus 0, 11 minus 8, 11 minus 9, 11 minus 7, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 0. Here we can convert maximization problem into minimization problem. Our next step is row reduction. Row reduction. For row reduction, we have to select minimum number from each row. Like in first row. In first row, minimum number is 1. In second row, minimum number is 0. In third row, minimum number is 2. In fourth row, minimum number is 4. In fifth row, minimum number is 11. Now we can subtract these number from their respective rows, like 1 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 11 minus 1. Because in this row, minimum number is 1. Here, in this row, minimum number is 0. So, we subtract 0. 0 minus 0, 7 minus 0, 2 minus 0. Similarly. Now we can write here 1 minus 1, 5, 3, 2, 10. Here we have subtract 0 from each number. Now 3 minus 2, because 2 is the minimum number in this row. 3 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 11 minus 2. Here 4 is minimum number, 4 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 11 minus 4. Here 2 is minimum number, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 and 11 minus 2. Now our row reduction is complete. Next step is column reduction. For column reduction, we have to select minimum number from each column. Like in this column, minimum number is 0. In this column, minimum number is 0. In this column, minimum number is again 0. In this column, minimum number is 1. In this column, minimum number is 7. Now we can subtract these minimum number from their respective columns, like 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0. Similarly, here in this column, minimum number is 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1. Here minimum number is 7, 10 minus 7, 11 minus 7, 7 minus 7, 9 minus 7. Now we can write column reduction. 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0. 5 minus 0, 7 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 0 minus 0. 3 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0. Here here 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1. Here 10 minus 7, 11 minus 7, 9 minus 7, 7 minus 7, 9 minus 7. Now here our column reduction is complete. Next step is make assignment. Next step is make assignment. For this first we have to copy this table here. Same table we can copy here. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 2, 0, 2. Now we can make assignment to all these numbers. Always make assignment to 0. Always make assignment to 0. First we move row wise, then column wise. Now first we move row wise. In this row there is 1 0, so we make assignment to 8. Their respective zeros are cut. First we move row wise. Next we move column wise. In this column there is no 0 remain. In this column there is 1 0 remain. The respective zeros are cut. No 0. First we move row wise, then column wise, again row wise. Their respective zeros are cut. Again column wise. Column wise we make assignment, but their respective zeros are cut. First we move row wise, column wise, row wise, column wise, and now row wise. Here is 0, so we make assignment to 8. Now you can see that every row get assignment. Here 1 get assignment, here 2 get assignment, here 3 get assignment, here 4 get, and 5. Now we can write here 1 is equal to A, 1 is equal to A. Here 2 is equal to D, 2 is equal to D, 3 is equal to C, 4 is equal to dummy, 5 is equal to B. Now we can write its value from question. First A to D, A, D and C. Now first A, D or C, 10, 10 or 9? 10, 10 or 9? We can write here 10, 10 or 9. 4, dummy, 5, B. Now we can write its value from question. Dummy and fifth B. 0 or 9. 0 or 9. Now we can total all these number. Then we get 38. Here our question is complete.